here's this week's Fidget. It's kind of like a poppet, except it's completely spherical. It's got air inside it, so I can push these bits down, and as you saw, they can pop back up, and if I squeeze it, they pop back up. And it's fun. I can take the points and spin it around. These ones around the sides here have a nice texture on the sides of them. It's got sort of a wheel down the middle, and a bit here where you could put it to a keychain or something, I guess. It probably has less air than when I got it, but it's still fun. Yeah.